Our services in the semi-solid solutions segment range from sourcing of raw materials to packaging for ointments, creams, emulsions, pastes and gels. Thanks to our expertise and exclusive access to raw materials, we are able to produce a range of semi-solid products in batches of 20 to 750 liters. In semi-solid solutions, our core areas of expertise include essential oil ointments, ointments with extracts, industrial fats, semi-fats, cosmetic creams, toothpastes, and finished pharmaceuticals. We use modern accredited semi-automatic or fully automatic machines in production. Many renowned pharmaceuticals are manufactured at Hensler Swiss Pharma, including Kellosoft Cream, Olbas, and Hammermelith ointment. After production, the products are filled into customized containers. You can choose between jars of 30 to 500 milliliters and tubes of 3 to 250 milliliters, made from composite materials, plastic or aluminium. If necessary, the filled products can be packaged in customer-specific secondary packaging, including patient information. Our range of semi-solid solutions products meets the most exacting customer requirements. You can count on the expertise of Hensler Swiss Pharma in ensuring your market success.